You're likely aware that a compiler's job in many languages is to take in source code and then generate object files from that source code, which can then be linked together into an executable. But what does the linker actually do? What do you think, Marshmallow?
This is a function called pink in one object file. All of these are machine code instructions. We want to call a function called blue, which is in a different object file. We have a problem because machine code doesn't have a concept of functions. So we need to have like actual memory addresses or offsets in our object file to call a function. So what we do is if we want to call blue here, we make a little placeholder, which is just going to be zeros, and then we're going to make a couple of notes in some special tables somewhere else in the object file. The first table we make a note in is the symbol table, which is just a description of all the different functions, global variables which are in this object file and where they live. Now, of course, if we're calling a function where we don't know where it is, then the symbol is going to be marked as undefined. The second table which we make a note in is called the relocation table. The relocation table is a list of things we need to fix in order for our binary to be complete. If we have undefined symbols, we don't know where those addresses are yet, so we make a note to fix these up later. When we want to link these two object files together, first we take the code from one and we append it onto the other. So now we have one long line of instructions. But we still have a problem because we still have this placeholder and this relocation is telling us we need to fix this up. So we need to work out where this function is in this object file. And we can do that using the symbol table from the original object file that it came from. This will tell us where the original offset here was. And using that information, we can get rid of all these zeros and make this a real offset to the function here. That's what's going to happen if you're linking static libraries or object files. If you're doing dynamic linking, then there's going to be a special program which loads in all of your dependencies at runtime and then does all the relocations based on special additional tables in your binary.